The adventure continues. I started again today at Repls.com. I wanted you to see how many wonderful resources are available here on this website. Now, if I were a more advanced developer, I would totally spend the investment of the subscription. Also, I clicked there on that Python for Beginners tab, and it took me to a YouTube video that was full of excellent resources for people who have a subscription to Repls. You can see that it is very affordable, but at this point, it's beyond my budget. I've got to use what I've already got and make the most of it. So I went back to Google, and this headline on the SEO results caught my attention. I jumped in here to this Code Infinity website, and it easily took me through. I thought, yes, I want to learn all of these skills. And the user interface was really fun. They take you through some experiential exercises. I don't know what the correct answers were. If you know, please comment below and tell me what is correct. I wanted to choose 6, but I went for the 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So then it gets into more of the marketing, soft marketing, persuasion. They're pulling you in with all of these questions, and they're really taking data from you while you are using this website. And it's gamified, sensation. It has insight in these charts. And this Codefinity style was very appealing. I was highly tempted to go for it. However, like I was saying, I'm committed to tapping into the resources I've already got to the utmost before I pay for any kind of subscription. So I'm sticking to my guns and going for a free version. However, after giving them all of this data, it did turn out the final result would be a 3-month subscription for $99. And while they have very persuasive techniques, I was able to resist and say no. Now, if I were a more advanced coder or someone with more experience in the field, I would have gone for it. It looks like a great deal. But it's not aligning with my goal, which is to use a free tool to learn. So then I went to the first sponsored result, and I found the Code Academy. This is something that I've heard of before from other coders and even computer scientists that are professional in the field. So I went with it and made sure to skip all of the marketing questions and just stick to finding what was free. So here they have this Learn Python 3 class. It's a beginner level, and instead of taking from me and my answers to questions and giving me a survey, this website gave me information, and it really helped me to build up my knowledge. I mean, even just from reading their blog about what is Python used for, I was really impressed that I was learning throughout this process. So as a sales technique, they were giving, and I really responded well to that. You can see I highlighted some major points that stand out that make Python an attractive thing to learn. And it's apparent that Python is good for people who are new. It's more human language based. And the applications of this knowledge can be used in various ways. It could be used for data analysis and many types of business intelligence roles, but it can also be used to web design on the back end, That's something I'm interested in doing. Is I do have a website and I haven't done anything with it yet. So I want to learn these skills so that I can really craft a very useful website for my business. And even beyond those practical applications, uh, I'm learning. You see, in the last exercise, I built the app with Flask, but I didn't know what Flask was. So here, already reviewing this Code Academy website, I'm gaining knowledge. Python is good for Linux as well as Mac operating systems. So it has that versatility, which is attractive. And you can learn a whole lot here that I've highlighted. This guy, he's the inventor. And then I discovered dark mode. So I'm all in. I'm on to the next steps with learning Python. You can log in with various social media platforms, either Facebook or Google, or you can make up a password. And you can see here they have the Python class ready to roll. And I'm back to Hello World, the Hello World exercise. This lady gave a great introduction, and you can go to their website and watch it. But I am all keen for the next steps here.